Yeah, and Ron, one of the tough things that I noted when we first started covering this case was we saw videos of her when she was suffering from the condition, which she now still has, but she is probably the worst evidence for her damages in that you see her sitting there. Really looks great. She's so smart. She sounds good. It's a tough dichotomy there. The jury's got to decide, how damaged really is she?
Right. So the nuance that the plaintiffs have to do, and it's a very, very hard job, is to explain to the jury that out of the entire 100% of what she's suffering, a large percentage of it has nothing to do with this condition that no one can relate to. And that's very, very hard to do. And that is the art, that is the nuance of the plaintiff's attorney, to be able to guide her to tell the jury, yeah, I have this thing that causes me enormous pain, but yet, despite this, what I'm suffering today and going forward has nothing to do with that. And that is something that takes a lot of time with a client. You got to really talk them through it because, again, I've never experienced what she's experiencing. So you got to really educate the jury and put her in those shoes so that the jury doesn't mix it up. And that's the fear for every plaintiff's attorney, mixing it up, going, well, like how, what part of this is just her condition versus what John Hopkins did.
Yeah, and as the defense will try to do, and we'll see this as we continue with their testimony, their goal is going to be to make it sound like, A, whatever problems she has were caused by something else, or that she ain't so bad. She's got a boyfriend, she's had jobs,
Right.
She's a teenager dealing with things teenagers deal with. It is such a burden for everybody involved, and the case is sad, let's face it. Let's take a break. We're going to come back, more of Maya's testimony, critical stuff, especially as it relates to damages in this case. We'll be right back.
Terry Austin, and you're watching Law